Hello students, like my channel and please subscribe it. Today we will be discussing Sainik School Entrance Exam question paper of 2022. This is the version code D. It contains 4 sections. Section A is language, section B is mathematics, section C is general knowledge and D is intelligence. So total 125 questions. Here we will be discussing section A part, that is English language. So first passage is given here and below that there are some questions. Directly go through the first question, that is which of the following statement is not true about the passage. So they have given not true. First option is Colossus of Rhodes was built to honor Helios. So here they are given Colossus of Rhodes. So this one is correct. Next one, Pharos of Alexandria was a lighthouse. So it is a lighthouse here. It is given here. So it is also correct one. Next, the hanging gardens of Babylon were built by a king for his wife. So here they have given. This is also correct one. So this option is not there. So third one is the correct answer here. Go to the next question. That is second one. Which of the 7 ancient wonders of the world was as tall as 4-story building? 4-story building here they have given, that is Statue of Zeus. So answer for that is Statue of Zeus. This one is the correct answer. Next question. What is the meaning of the underlined word the lighthouse at Halicarnassus? So lighthouse at the Halicarnassus is, it is for a building to guide the ships. So this is the correct answer here. Now fourth question, do as directed questions. Read it.
Fill in the blank with appropriate option. My mother advised me to stay dash at home.
Here preposition is at. So my mother advised me to stay at home. This is the correct answer. Read the fifth question.
Fill in the blank with appropriate article. Rakesh is dash excellent science teacher.
So here excellent word starts with a vowel. So you have to use what? An. So Rakesh is an excellent science teacher. Now read the sixth question.
Rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence.
So here they have given some words. So you have to make it to sentence. First they have given waved, she, greeted, and cheerfully us. So you have to make a sentence. First use she, next waved, next and greeted us cheerfully. So likewise you have to do it. She means B, B, A, D, C, F, E. So this is the correct option. It is not there, here also not there, here also not there. So fourth option it is there. B, A, D, C, F, E. So this is the correct one. She waved and greeted us cheerfully. So this is the correct sentence. Now read the next question.
Fill in the blank with correct option. It was a steep dash from the hilltop.
So here, correct option is descent. So it was a steep descent from the hilltop. So other words are of different meaning and wrong words, wrong alphabets. So this one is correct. Now read the 8th question.
Rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence.
So here also you have to make a sentence here. Snowfall heavy, the everything covered. So here try to make the sentence the heavy snowfall covered everything. Means C B A E D. Which one is the correct answer? First itself is the correct answer. So C B A E D is the right answer here to make a correct sentence. Now read the 9th question.
Choose the correct noun. A dash of soldier marched into the battleground.
Here troop is the correct answer because it correctly suits it. A troop of soldiers marched into the battleground. So troop TROOP is the correct answer. Now read the 10th question.
Choose the correct pronoun. Is she the girl dash won the first prize?
Here they have given she. Is she the girl dash won the first prize? Here comes who. Is she the girl who won the first prize? So this sentence correctly fit here. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now read the 11th question.
Choose the correct option, correct question tag. You paid the bill. Dash.
So 11th one. You paid the bill dash. Here didn't you? You paid the bill didn't you is the correct answer. 12th one, read it.
Identify the type of sentence. Mohan gave me a 10 rupee note.
So Mohan gave me a 10 rupee note. It is not a imperative, it is not a exclamatory, it is not a interrogative. So he is declaring he gave me 10 rupee note. So the option A is the right answer. Read the 13th question.
Choose the correct word. The water dashed from the tap last night.
The water dripped from the tap last night. The water dripping. It is not a present tense. So this one is wrong. So last night it has been dripped. So this is the correct one. Past tense. The water dripped from the tap last night. 14th one.
Choose the correct spelling.
So word they have given appointment with the different spellings here. Here option 4 has the correct spelling of an appointment. So it is right one. Read the 15th question.
Choose the correct option. A cobbler is a person who
Dash. So cobbler makes an footwear. He also repairs a footwear. So the option here repairs tap is a wrong, cloths wrong, bulb is wrong. Repairs footwear is the correct answer. Now read the 16th question.
choose the option that is opposite of earlier.
Opposite of earlier is later. So option 4 they have given later. This is correct one. 17th question.
Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. There was a momentous moment in the cricket match.
So there was a momentous moment in the cricket match. Here, momentous is what? It is an important moment. So here, It is not insignificant, it is not a sudden movement, it is not an abrupt movement. Here it is an important movement. So option 2 is the correct answer here. 18th question, read it.
Choose the correct adjective. Yesterday was the dash day of our trip.
Yesterday was dash day of our trip. It is the worst day because here most worse, more worse, worser are not correct adjective. Worst is the correct adjective. So option 3 is correct one here. Now read the question number 19.
Choose the correct option closest to the meaning of
Gigantic. So here gigantic means it's very big. So they have given not a opposite word. So similar word is it's very big. So it is the correct answer. Fourth option is correct answer here. Read the question number 20.
Choose the opposite of literate.
So literate opposite is it is illiterate. So this one is the correct answer. It is not unliterate, deliterate, misliterate. It is a illiterate. Read the question number 21.
Choose the incorrect pair.
First option is knife, knives, correct one. Second, woman, women, correct. Deer, deer, correct. Mouse, it is mice. So this one is wrong. So option D is correct here. So this pair is wrong here. That's why you have to choose the option fourth. 22nd question.
Choose the appropriate option. All my friends are good natured. As they say, birds of a feather dash together.
All my friends are good natured. As they say, birds of a feather flock together. So here, flock is the correct answer. Now go to the 23rd question.
Identify the adverb. The doctor will see you later.
So in this sentence, the doctor will see you later. Here, later is the adverb here. So option A is the correct answer here. 24th one.
Seeing the wounded bird, she dashed her mouth.
Her mother.
Her mouth.
Seeing the wounded bird, she called her mother. So here, called is a correct answer. Not a call, calling, was calling. So, seeing the wounded bird, she called her mother. As soon as she is seeing the wounded bird, she called her mother. She was calling, she calling, she call. All these are wrong. 25th one.
Fill in the blank with correct conjunction. Manjeet cannot drive dash. He has a license.
Manjit cannot drive unless he has a license is the correct answer. Unless suits here. If is not correct. Manjit cannot drive if he has a license. Manjit cannot drive although he has a license. Manjit cannot drive yet he has a license. Unless he has a license, it is best suited. That's why you have to choose the option 2. So this completes the English language questions. In the next videos, we will be solving later sections. Thank you.